planning it won't work. Yeah, I stopped taking things on with perk.
We a trendsetter, man.
Yeah.
You know me and Kodak.
Yes,
Whatever we do,
Yeah.
we got a million copycat out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all good.
Yeah.
We the boss. We just let it, you know what I'm
I
saying?
imitated, never duplicated. We a mean little three.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you Bollywood. You can't leave Bollywood out.
Exactly. The Bollywood is
Yeah,
there.
you can't leave Bollywood out.
Man, this is big diamond looking crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy. This is big money. This is what we call honeymoon.
Yeah.
You need only one GIA diamond to get married.
Yeah.
He got a whole mile with GIA certified.
Yes, sir.
Diamond.
Yeah. Honeymoon. But, you know, we gonna jump the gun before we jump the broom. Fuck the honeymoon. Alright. Like a white Riga.
Come on, man.
Let us see.
Let's get to the song. We jump on the park out. Talking
Well, my boy Robbie Anderson, man. Number 11. My Z-Day 611. My Z-Day 611. Love to all the Geminis. Love to even baby love. That's a jihad she don't want to uncover.
Johnny.
Hey. You know what I mean? Yeah, we lit. And then 11/11 Yak Day, everybody come out Palm Beach. Free. Yeah, you ain't gotta pay nothing. There's no, just come out and come have fun. Everybody
I'll be there, man.
Yeah. Come out, have fun, performances, all that. Free. Like, ain't no bullshit.
For sure.
Yeah, you know, you ain't gotta pay to what you call me vibing, man. So every surrounding area was probably affected by the hurricane, even if you wasn't affected by the hurricane. Come out, come have fun. Come out, have fun, man. You know? Yeah. The senator gave me 11/11. The mayor gave me 6/11 my birthday, and the senator gave me 11/11.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
okay.
Yeah, so we vibing, man.
Come on, man.
My boy Robert Anderson.
Yeah, we have to go in there. Celebrate.
And we go Halloween, Bill Kill, man, HVK. That's lit.
Yeah.
We out? You said we want to go do your podcast?
Hell yeah.
Man, fuck, come
Hell
on.
yeah, go back to the shop, you know?
Man.
It's good. And
What we better do, Johnny?
Yes, go like K-I-C-K. Like kick,
Yeah.
Kick, you know. Like, man, I ain't kicking in a minute, but you ain't kicking in a what?
okay, that's what I'm saying. You know your tongue time, man. Right in your
Word,
business, man.
Huh? We gonna wrap that boy Johnny in a blanket.
Yeah. Hey, let me get the grill wheel. Go do it one time.
Cheat.
Yeah. Glee.
Hottest.
Hey.
The hottest in the game, man.
Oh, yo, it's not.
I know how